Here we go. Here we go. We're live. Shout out to everybody who'll be watching this on the replay, whether that's on Facebook, YouTube, wherever you'll see this replay. Shout out to y'all. This is the Friday Live, brought to you by the Hood. As always, this is Jimmy, my partner in crime, Corey. With me, Corey, you all right, bro?
Yeah,
Like you
man,
over
I'm
there, man.
tired.
Wait, man.
Yo, man, I'm hurting right now, but I'm gonna be all right. I got new Papa Blues.
New Papa Blues. I heard that, man. Y'all see the youngin got Corey out here not getting his shut eye, man.
Yeah,
He
man.
feeling it, man. So our folks are coming in now. As you come in, do me a favor and please hit the like button. We're gonna be here for a short period of time. We're gonna do our Bitcoin giveaway, talk a little trash and
You
bounce.
know,
We got a lot of stuff going on.
you know what
So,
Drake said. We here for a good time, not a long time. You know what I mean? That's
here we
your
go.
boy. Do right and kill everything. Said.
Yo, man, hit them likes up though, man. There's more folks in here. All these folks in here, and we got hitting the like button, man. Show us some
so
love real fast, man.
we what's the oh, Mike? What's going on, Don? What it up, Julio?
Yeah, folks coming in. Let's see who's here. So Julio, what's up, Julio? Julio over there on YouTube. What's good? Don is on YouTube. Mike's here on Facebook. What's good, Mike? More folks coming in right now. Listen, as y'all come in, do me a favor and please hit the like button. We are going to do our Bitcoin giveaway. Like I said, we're going to be here for a little, short period of time because we got a lot going on. Got a community event tomorrow. You did?
Again, street team out again.
Yeah, so we got to definitely get to that. Yeah, Julio pulling up with the madness, man. He pulling up with the madness.
Yo, he trying to get us to slander these people, man. We leave that to our brethren and our sistren. We don't need to. Our brethren and our sistren, they did what they had to do. They
Dion is here. What's up, Dion? How are you?
Hey, what's going on?
Peace, Jose. Peace. We laughing
Stop.
at Julio said that we get an LLC, man. Like, shout out to LLC Twitter, LLC IG. And I mean, people that think LLCs, change everything, man. Everybody get an LLC, man. No, but hey, listen, I got nothing to say about that, man. Folks out here, I got to say about that.
My business. Yo, Dion,
yeah, exactly.
Just for the record, Dion is amazing, right? She's out here. She got her system that she's using to help families go from not knowing anything about the market to knowing a lot about the market and being able to get together. And then she works with women specifically. So let's make sure that we show Dion the love that she deserves, because Dion is amazing. And so with that being said, Dion continue doing great work. And Toya is now a national speaker.
Ooh, talk about it.
Yeah, right. So she just got selected to be a speaker on a national panel about the youth. So we got some amazing folks up in this joint, man. So we want to show
Toya. How are you? Congratulations to Toya. Congrats.
Gang. And
Julio cutting up, yo.
Yeah.
Jamil, what's good?
Yo, so we
got the missus in the building. Joy is here.
Hey, love, what's up? And then we just want to show love to the folks that show love to us, man. So
yeah, shout out to
they show us love. Rochelle, she's a newly minted notary, and her daughter has makes like bonnets and stuff like that. Keja's Creations. So we want to show love and shout out those people who shout us out all the time. Jose's gonna be a newly minted CPA or something in the financial field. You're getting that financial services degree. Like these people show us love. Dan, what it is though. We just dropping love, man. Because y'all really show us love. We want to make sure that y'all get the same love back. Y'all really out here doing it. we, these niggas abusing it. We just all, what I mean?
No, man, that's dope stuff, man. Everybody doing their thing, man.
Yeah, they are, man.
Let you rock, man. Congrats to everybody,
Oh,
man.
we got Lance in his house.
Rochelle, Sakina, what's good with you?
You,
Dan is here. What's good, Dan? Oh yeah. Make sure you drop bars. They need to hear. They need to hear all that.
oh, she
They
going to
need to hear all.
I didn't know she was going to
Scammerville,
Scammerville,
Crystal,
USA.
what's good?
Oh,
The legend Lance is here.
keep your wallet in your front pocket, Toya. Let me stop.
Keep your eyes open and your wallet in your front pocket. Yo, Tanelia is here. Tanelia, I don't know where on the planet you are, but we appreciate you. She be out here, man.
Lance she's been doing her YouTube work. She just got the 500 subscribers. So let's go show Lance some love. If you haven't already subscribed, go to BH Capital Enterprises and subscribe over there. Tanelia is, what I mean. Don is a Don be putting it in, man. He be his Facebook page is amazing, man. And Tanelia, let me tell you about some of these Facebook pages our crew got, right? So Tanelia Facebook page and Don Facebook page is crazy, yo. And for two different reasons. Don got the ratchet and the righteous, and Tanelia just got the ratchet.
Yo, somebody do me a favor, yo, and tag Crystal, right? That's what it K. Because Crystal had me watching, like, yo, I really was binge watching something on Netflix called Savage Beauty that I had never heard of until Crystal put it on her page, yo. Somebody tag Crystal and get her over here. Listen though, go over a couple things while we're here. Like, we will definitely want to shout out everybody that's doing their thing within the community. Our community is a real community, right? So there are, bigger communities out there. We ain't about popularity and none of that. But the thing I can say about us is the way we support each other. I've never, because I'm a part of a lot of communities. I've never seen anything like it. I just want to say congratulations with everybody that got. I get so excited, though. Don't you see me, like when I see people accomplishing things, I get so excited because to me that's the value in what we do. The value in what we do and what separates us from kind of everybody else is. We don't care about things like, so it's not about, the flash and all that. It's about having genuine relationships and building a community. So to see everybody doing their thing. By the way, I love the ratchet content. I ain't gonna hold you, but Savage Beauty is my new thing, man. So
I've been showing the folks in our community a little bit of the bag I'll be running up on the crypto side on the options, Sean, right? Mm-hmm. And so just I'll never post those joints on my regular Facebook page. Most people like this the screenshot they wins and try to like, look, I'm making $1 million trading options and trading crypto and doing all that. Man, listen. Just know that I'll never ask y'all for anything that I ain't got already.
Hey, by the way, that works for me on both sides, right? So I like, I like the combination of the righteousness and the ratchetness. Like, I post a lot of stuff, but you should see the stuff I don't post, and that goes on both sides, by the way.
Yo,
that goes on both sides. Because I got some memes. I got some memes that can't make it to the net because I'm going to defend my political.
I got a couple too because I was like, ooh, I got a couple joints. Some of them joints will make my stories, but I can't put them on the. Like you get to watch some of my wretchedness for 24 hours. I can't
throw them in the stories. Yo, matter of fact, I got a funny ass meme I'm getting ready to drop as soon as we get off here though. But I do want to talk about this though, because we do got a lot of stuff going on. I was in Indianapolis this week. Had an amazing time. Talk my talk out there.
Talk that talk, bro. Let them know who you are. Let them know who you are, Jim. World renowned speaker. Yo, world renowned speaker. I'm gonna brag on my bro, man. World renowned speaker.
But look though, the one thing I do want to say, I went to a show while I was there. And Jennifer Hudson, yo. Jennifer Hudson is really
amazing.
Dog. Yeah. That was my first time seeing her live. Dog.
So I saw her when she was doing Dreamgirls.
Oh, yeah.
And so her I was
like, all right, so put it like this. I know it's gonna be hyperbole because it's like, it's recency bias, but as a kid, I saw Whitney one time, and that's the only voice that I can compare it to. Like it's so effortless. I was sitting there like, And she probably like, why is the boy staring at me like that? Because I'm like, yo, that's like, I don't know how to describe it.
Yeah, like it's godly.
Voice,
It's godly.
dog. Her voice is just something else. Like you can't practice that.
You know what's crazy? It's 3 people whose voice I've heard in person who I was like, damn, like the gods blessed them. One is her, Jennifer Hudson. 2 is Fantasia.
I never seen her live.
She be at the Dell every year. You could just go.
I know. I just never went and saw it.
And then the other third person, which most people who don't know, Marsha Ambrosius. Her voice is from God. And
you know who else? Jasmine Sullivan. Have you ever seen Jasmine Sullivan live?
I have not seen her live yet. So
yeah, she got it too. But with that being said, though,
go ahead.
I just want to say that even with all the people that I've seen that have amazing voices live, like I think that J Huz might be in a different class. Like, dog, I was sitting there like amazed, like literally amazed.
Yo, in person, I tell you like this, man. Like, so there's classically trained voices, and then there's voices that when you hear them live, they just say, like Marsha Ambrosia's voice sounds so much better live than like her what's her name don't do her no justice.
Yeah,
like her albums don't do her no justice. But when you see her live, and then the crazy part is I didn't know her catalog was crazy as it is, right? Because a lot of the stuff she's written for other folks, I had no idea. Like I didn't know Marsha was getting to the bag like that.
Yeah,
like
I remember one time we was talking about her verses, and you put her up against somebody that you had no business doing. I forgot who it was.
It's probably like Jill Scott or something.
It was like Beyonce or something. I was like, dog,
her catalog, wow. Okay,
it ain't Beyonce though. It ain't Beyonce. But here's the thing though. People was like enjoying the show and they're like dancing and singing with her. I was so amazed that I was literally sitting there stuck like, yo, how is that possible? It's
how
like
is that voice coming from that?
Yo, body? It's proof of because dog, I'm like 3 rows in. It's proof of a higher power. Like that's the only way I can describe it, yo. To the point where that's what I'm talking about as I come off that strip. I do gotta share something else with y'all though. Let's see what the folks is talking about in the chat. Jose, you definitely agree that Savage Beauty is that word. And shout to Crystal whenever she get here. I'm gonna say that to her. Tay is here. Tay, what's good? Yeah, world class, definitely world class.
Yeah,
Wife said the same thing. Y'all must have enjoyed that. Marsha and Fantasia, Jasmine Sullivan. What rapper is he?
Yeah,
Some rapper got a punchline and he changed her name to Sullivan to make it right. I don't know who it is. Anyway, yeah, Jill Scott. Jill Scott live is something else for other reasons, but that's either here.
Yeah, her voice is from God too, though.
That's true. Fantasia has a background singer with a voice that makes you want to cry. That's something else that was interesting about speaking of community about Fantasia, right? You know, not Fantasia, J Hud. You know, she has a thing, J Hud Productions. Like, so she was introducing her background singers. One of them was one of the brothers that she met on The Voice. The other one was the boy that was on Idol with her. He's her backup singer, the boy George something or another. He was in the same. As a matter of fact, he made it further than she did when he was on Idol. He's one of her backup singers. The boy playing piano has been with her since Dreamgirls. Like, she got like a squad that she rode with for years.
As she should, though. You know what I mean? People
that's
trust,
dope. That's dope.
People, you know what I mean? Musically, you know what I mean? And, you know, financially, because that's really where it comes down to.
Yeah, her background singers is fire too. I want to see if she's gonna let them cook her like Alicia Keys let her background singer cook her dumbass.
Friday. Yes, I've heard that, and that's one of the things that made me. That's one of the things that made me say that. But I've heard
actually on streaming. That's actually on the streaming services too. They put that out.
No, but what I'm saying is I heard that live, and that's one of the things that made me say that. Yeah. So I had no idea, right? Because you know, when I went to go see Marsha Ambrosius, I was just going to go hear her sing, you know, because they was doing the like Flowetry reunion, and you know, I knew she could sing, but I didn't know she could sing. Like she could sing. Like I was like, damn. Like,
man, that's saying a whole lot right here. Lance says that her and the wife checked her out on the 20th anniversary of Words and Sounds tour. She's the only one I will pay Beyonce prices to see. Wow.
Damn.
That's saying a lot.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah, bitch, that's saying a lot. the live show was something different than like the albums too. Like that's the thing. Some people like I go see live, but probably won't catch me listening to the album. Real quick though, we can get back to that talk, but I want to share this because hot off the presses. So June 18th, we're having our Black Tie Gala in the city of brotherly love to support.
Come watch us get suited and booted, baby. Come watch us get suited and booted.
Yeah. So here's some information about that, by the way. Corey, you see my screen, right?
Yeah, I can see it.
So it's called the No Real Estate Gala, right? Let me tell you why. We're going to have some of the biggest real estate investors in the world, and I mean the world, in this building. But the thing is, no real estate talk. Anytime they talk about real estate, they got to donate $3 to the camp. This is an open bar, right? So it's going to be catered. Music by DJ Active. And if you don't know who DJ Active is, do your Googles. You know what I'm saying? All proceeds go to the camp for the babies. You know what I mean? So it's a black tie gala for real estate professionals. All proceeds benefiting the Buy the Hood Ownership Camp. It's the 18th from 8 to 12. Here's the location. You dig? So, that's what tickets is going for. The website is norealestategala.com. We do have sponsorships available. Shout out to the folks that have already sponsored, but the sponsorships start at $2,500 for a bronze, 5 racks for a silver. Then we got gold and diamond, and they come with like various things. If anybody's interested, I will send this deck to you. You get all kinds of things to go with this, right? So that's kind of like what it is. A little bit about the camp that we've done in the past. The demographics of the folks that have been in the room. 64% of the attendees own at least 1 to 3 pieces of property. 44 have used hard money loans, right? 67% currently have over 200,000 in real estate buying power. 65% of event goers invest dollars in personal developments. So we have a lot of like I said, some heavy hitters that will be in the building, and it's being put together by the nonprofit known as Philadelphia Real Estate Week, which is a big deal for anybody that knows what Philadelphia Real Estate Week does in the city of Philadelphia.
If you know
them coming aboard, them coming aboard to do this is a major thing for us. So I want to salute them and say thank you first and foremost. But this is going to be amazing. This is an opportunity for us to get suited and booted and really get out here and do something for the youth. And by the way, DJ Active is fire. You know what I'm saying? For those that don't know.
Do your Googles.
Yeah. So, that's what it is. I definitely want to bring that up. Jill, one of the few that doesn't make ugly faces when she hitting them notes. That's hilarious. Can't wait. Tickets and tire already hanging in the closet. Okay, Tori,
that's what I'm talking about.
Let's get it.
That's what I'm talking about.
Let's get it. Yeah, this is
make sure you come
through. Absolutely. Send me the deck. I definitely will. Have no idea who this is though, because the StreamYard is hating on you. Corey, you know who this is?
No, I have no idea. Yeah,
so
put your name in the chat.
Send me put your name in the chat. Whoever this is that says send me the deck, because I'll definitely get it to you soon.
We gotta make sure send Liz this deck too.
Absolutely. I definitely want to send Liz the deck. Shout out to Liz, man. Liz is doing crazy things. I saw her. This event is definitely gonna be dope. We're gonna have fun. Oh, that's Jabbar.
Oh,
my guy.
Jabbar. Our guy. What's the deal?
Yeah, man. Shout out to Bar, man. Bar has helped me working on like a deal that I don't even want to talk about, because if I said it, y'all wouldn't believe me anyway.
At all.
What's up, family? How you? Appreciate you pulling up.
What it is, though.
I will be there. Absolutely. Yeah, man. So that's gonna be dope. So that's the 18th of June. That's definitely coming up. Tomorrow we are in Nicetown for the last leg of this thing for high school students. We're in the middle of creating a whole new. I'm gonna tell you about this, right? So no one really knows about this, but we've been working on this in the background. We were trying to figure out a way to help with a lot of the violence in the city. So one of the programs that we were working on putting together with some other organizations is returning citizens, as well as the youth that are like on probation, and putting together like an entrepreneurial finance type program for them to just expose them to different things. And, that's coming along as well. We have a lot of people that are interested in helping us put this together. but it's something that we think that if we can pull off here, then we can take this into different cities and and kind of get this work done, because this work needs to be done, man. So be on the lookout for that as well. If you know anyone that's on probation, that maybe this is going to be for like teenagers or young adults. I'm not sure what the cutoff will be, but it's for folks that are just coming home. Maybe they were in like a youth detention or something like that, or they're on probation now. Just trying to like not have them go back into the system. So that's something else that we're proud to work on this project. And this is some of the work that we're working on behind the scenes. So the missus says, see y'all there. Yeah, that's gonna be fire. We're gonna have fun that night, y'all. We're gonna have fun. We finally gonna get Corey to do some TikTok dances in the building in the suit.
Don't wait on that.
Let me connect y'all with Ebony. She's 256, 88 with the youth of it. Okay, absolutely. You already know. We always looking to connect. Yo, 256 we getting busy, yo. We do more projects with 256 than even our own folks, right? 256 get busy.
And we do a lot of projects with our own folks, and we still do more projects with them.
Yo, Latoya, your class gets busy. 256 don't play no games. And don't tell nobody I said that, because I'll deny it. But y'all do y'all be putting
on camera denial.
There's Pat. Pat, what's good with you?
She was in the what's her name's earlier. She was in the. She said we couldn't see her though.
We're from Cleveland, so that program will definitely be needed. Yeah, absolutely. Okay. So that's something that we're working on. And hopefully we can bring it to other cities. The outline is kind of drawn up. We got like other participants, because it's not just me and Corey. We were trying to bring in some folks with experience. Also some folks that were returning citizens. So we got a nice little plethora of folks that are helping us put that together. But that's something else that we're working on. So I'm very excited about that, and all the work that's being done. Yeah. So thanks. We are pretty dope indeed. Yo, something else I want to talk about real fast too, right? So this real estate market. I was telling Corey today, like, yo, I came back yesterday and I had so much like work in front of me with these different real estate projects I'm going on. So everybody's talking about the rates and the market slowing down. Listen, ain't nothing slowing down
at all.
Ain't nothing slowing down. So I had a list of, I think it was a total of 6 properties that I was going to swing through today and see. This was scheduled the day before yesterday. So I was in Indianapolis when this was being scheduled. This was scheduled on Wednesday to go see these properties today. By the time I touched down last night, which was Thursday, 5 out of the 6 were gone. Over asking price. And I'm like, hold up. What happened to the slowdown? Like, this market is still insane. Stuff is going like so fast. When I went to see the one that was left today, it was a pale gentleman there, and they was running like, listen, it's probably going to be gone before I could even make a move. But this market is absolutely insane, and I don't see it slowing down just yet. I mean, obviously rates are continuously going up, so we'll see what effect that has. But so far, I ain't seen. How about you, Corey? Like, I ain't seen nothing, man.
Yo, listen, man. People were squirreling away them pennies during the recession, man, and they putting them pennies to use, bro. Them pennies is getting put to use. Because
listen, man, people are buying land like crazy.
Hey, listen,
like crazy.
I was telling our MDC group, man. Once the Mrs. Hills up, we going ham you L, right? Because we got a gang of stuff, and we just gonna run through it. The deals that we doing, you know what I mean? We gonna run through them deals, and we gonna run them deals with the. Oh yeah, matter of fact, I'm gonna get that. I was supposed to put that in the MDC last night. All the information for the land grab we doing in Texas, I'm gonna put that in the MDC tonight.
Okay.
You know what I mean? I was supposed to do it last night, and then I got baby busy, and then I was supposed to do it this afternoon, and then I got work busy. But I'm not gonna do it tonight.
So that's something else though for everybody in the MDC, starting in June. So we have our our regular powwow. We have a mastermind call, and shout out to our sister Les. She's our newest guest on the most current episode of the By the Hook podcast, and we talk about it on that podcast. It's a great conversation, by the way. But for the folks in the MDC, we got real estate classes starting in June. So every Monday in June, I think, with the exception of the first Monday. When's the mastermind call? The first or last Monday?
It's gonna be our next mastermind call is June 12th, so I don't know what date it is.
All right, so that's June 12th. So June 5th, June what is that? 19th and June 26th, and probably like the first week in July, we're gonna have real estate classes like every Monday. So I'm gonna drop the schedule in the MDC. The actual coursework is done, and we're gonna do these classes live, so we get to ask live questions and go through with it. Also, right? So I just finished 2 rehab projects and sign them over to a property manager. So the funny thing is, I always talk about self-managing, but I'm getting to the point now where I just don't have enough time. So I have a property manager that I'm working with. Y'all probably know him. He's a member of the MDC. We keep everything in house. Everything's in the family. He's a member of Bada Hill University, the MDC. My brother Lorenzo is now managing properties for me. So I speaking to him, he's going to actually do a class in the MDC once I finish the real estate class I'm doing, which is about analysis for an investor. He's going to do a property management class in the MDC. So that'll also be like later this summer. So it's a lot of real estate stuff going on within the MDC. Also got the another installment of the Bitcoin free Bitcoin daily and a layer 2 Bitcoin class. So we got a lot of stuff going on. Forex class is popping. Russ got the crypto class going on. Options class. So there's a lot of value back there. Chaz is getting ready to do her class. We on the background working on getting her set up to start very, very, very soon. And now we just trying to, we trying to recruit Lance to join NWO. That's all. It's like, it's like NWO, man. It's too
Wolfpack. You gotta get it in the Wolfpack. That's all. Well, she in the Wolfpack. It's over for you. It's over for you.
He's trying to get Lance to join.
We trying to get Ric Flair. We trying to get Ric Flair, the greatest of all time, to join us. When she joined the NWO, that's your ass, y'all.
He trying to join D-Generation X. Oh, Dominican O is in the building. What's up, O? All right, so I'm not sure what this is, but the comment is, it's insane how many homes Chinese institutional investors are buying up in NC. Canada slowed down international investments in real estate. The U.S. may need to do the same. Thinking about that, the Canadian joint was all like
it was cap.
It was political. It was political rhetoric because the data shows that most of their buyers weren't from out of the country anyway, right?
Most of their buyers, 97% of their buyers are from in country.
Yeah, it was something. The data was something real crazy. So that's the thing that looks good on paper, but it's not really stopping anything. You can't stop gentrification. Right, I've put a video out about that several times. You can't really stop it. It's you can come up with things politically.
How about you shouldn't want to stop gentrification, right? Because gentrification is beautification of your area, taking it from where it's at to where it's going to go.
Well,
right?
See,
now, you might not now depending upon which, now displacement is the thing in gentrification. Right. That's the ugly piece, right? And so that's the piece that we need to work on for our people, right? Because if somebody want to come in and beautify your neighborhood, if you can hold on to a piece of it, you get to reap the benefits of it. But that's where ownership comes in. We don't own anything.
Yeah, that's where ownership comes in. But also that's where politics comes into play too. You can't ignore politics because they have the ability to create programs to help with long-term occupants.
Yeah, they do.
They buying them from workers. They're gonna send.
Yep. They coming.
Lance said, "Oh, that's what she said." All right. Anyway, listen, Lance. Whenever you're ready, we ready. We listen because what we building is unstoppable. But yes, I want to talk about that because that market is still absolutely crazy. Now, on the other side of that, the stock market is taking a definite poo.
That joint took a dizzle. I ain't mad at it because I'm short everything.
Everybody's short, and everybody's short, and everybody in our group shorting right now. So everybody running the bag up, short.
I ran a healthy bag up.
The dopest thing about it is, all right. So I've been just in the group that's really just not really contributing because I haven't been trading lately, but I've been reading and watching people who are making money on shorts, and it's dope because most of the people, I would say about 90% of them that are making money right now shorting things, didn't know how to short things a couple years ago. You know what I'm saying? So now I'm sitting there watching people getting crazy bags, 5-figure bags in a day. And it's like, these people didn't even know how to. And now they have a skill set which allows them to make money. Les gave us a play on the
Lord,
MDC class. I think it was 2 weeks ago, and she gave us
yep,
a target put at $200. At the time, target was like 230, something 220, 230, somewhere around there. And she
something
said, "Yeah, the
crazy.
game is about to drop." Those contracts were like $200. Each contract the other day when I checked was worth 3,500. So folks was in there shorting that joint and running the bag up to the moon, and I thought that was like amazing to see folks that look like us pulling these
Moonshot.
crazy checks out of the market. Man, that was beautiful.
Yeah, man.
So,
I ain't nothing like pulling checks, pulling out money out of thin air. Like all you
mhm,
did was slide some buttons around and had the right analysis, and then you just walked off with a check. You know what I
yeah.
mean?
Don says many people believe gentrification and the displacement of people go hand in hand. Sometimes it does, but it doesn't have to be, right? It just
Yeah.
doesn't have to be.
Like that's why I said ownership is the key to that, right? Because if you own things, then when your area, like the thing that we're having problem with is getting ownership of
Hmm.
the areas that we live in, right? Most of the like the statistics prove out that most of the city, especially black cities, are renters,
So,
right?
Toy, I do want to make a comment on this, right? Says they're raising taxes and still handing out 10-year tax abatement to math ain't math. And now, a lot of people believe that. Here's the data behind this, right? People don't understand how this process works because the taxes actually haven't been raised. The assessments
No.
have come out, which are increased in terms of the valuation of the assessments, but the assessments have nothing to do with taxes. The taxes are actually assigned by a tax rate that's applied by the politicians. But the politicians know that most people don't know that. So instead of them being held accountable for what they do with the tax rate, they're letting people believe that the taxes are already raised. Taxes weren't raised yet, right? This is one of those shell games that you see going on. In terms of
Yeah,
the 10-year
it's
tax abatement,
political theater. It's
it's exactly
political
in
theater.
terms of the 10-year tax abatement. What's interesting about that is the tax abatement actually makes the city money. For every dollar spent on a tax abatement, the city makes $3. That's the actual math of it. But again, by them having people point the finger at the tax abatement, people really aren't paying attention to what's really going on. So that's one of those things where it's like, what do they call that back in Rome? Bread and circuses. We let
Yep.
people believe that it's one thing, and this is how it's really working. So it's
Or
interesting to
like y'all
see.
like to quote the wire. You think it's one thing, but it's really another thing.
Yeah, Brianna. Listen, Brianna
Fam.
is a legend and brilliant. Brianna teaches our Forex class in the MDC. I
Ooh.
haven't been laid live in the last couple weeks. I've been traveling or whatnot, but um, I got to catch up, and I definitely got the file from you, Brianna. So thank you for that. But Brianna, the funny thing about taking Brianna's Forex class, let me tell you this, because I rewatch all of them. Even though she's talking about Forex, her Forex class helps me with everything else too.
Every single thing else that we do.
Yo, I'm sitting there like taking a Forex class, like that applies to the stock market too. Like the setups, the charts that she's using, all those things actually help you with
Yeah.
everything
I
else.
actually stole part of her setup for my setup because I was like, ooh,
Hey,
that's I
that's
was
what it's
like,
about.
ooh. I was
That's
like,
what it's
ooh,
about.
that's I was like, ooh, it because it gives me a more accurate read. Because I was like,
Hmm.
damn, like because I was using my chart and everything was just a little bit off, and I was still making money. But I was like, let's see if I do her setup. How and I was like, oh, that's why she uses this setup. That joint is her setup is immaculate.
Yeah, yeah. So thanks for no doubt. Anytime. So when it says definitely know the politics apply. Yeah. So basically, the way the process works is assessments are supposed to keep up with the market in terms of what the value of the property is. The tax rate, which is applied by politicians in Philadelphia, be city council, that has the ability to be changed. So it has the ability to be revenue neutral if they want to make it revenue neutral. But sometimes what happens is they'll say, "Oh, look, the assessor did this," and it has nothing to do with the assessor. All the assessor is supposed to do is keep up with whatever the market is. So
Yep.
whatever
All the
value they put
assessors are doing is evaluating the properties of
hmm.
based upon what has happened recently in the market.
Yeah.
The
So
assessors have nothing to do with the tax rate going up.
yeah. So that's one of the oldest tricks in the book. So like everybody go scream at these folks because we have the ability to change that rate, and in some jurisdictions the rate changes every year. But as Pastor says here,
Politics as usual.
absolutely politics as usual. Shout out to Pastor. See Pastor dropping gems in the Discord
Oh,
in the
oh, oh.
MDC.
The Amazon weekly pay still paying.
Yeah, man. Yo, the funny thing is because I've been like tied up with stuff, I haven't made the trade in 2 weeks, and that passer is running the bag every time he posts a joint, I get mad. Like, damn, because literally, like, let's keep it a bean. Let's keep it a thou wild. You could just run that play every week and be cool.
Yeah, man. You could. Hey, listen, man. I I ain't gonna lie. I showed the bag I ran up in Ethereum. I trade two things. I trade the Qs in Ethereum. I'm not showing my QQQ plays because those is government sanctioned plays, and I would never show. I would never show
Charts
those.
are charts, and people are people. Charts map the psychology. Yeah,
Yeah, man.
Amazon's still paying. Yes, it is, man. Amazon is still paying bags. And Brianna says
So
that charts map psychology. Yeah, that's what it is. So I got jealous because Pastor be in the Discord posting like, yeah, made the paycheck, and I'm sitting like, damn, because I just be really I got so much going on, I just be forgetting, man. But it's all good though. I'm gonna buckle down. I think what I'm gonna do is just make that my one trade a week because I got so much other stuff going on. It's hard for me to be in there every day. But I think I'm just gonna chill on Friday and make this. I
yeah,
got
man.
this
Because
Amazon play.
we're gonna have to change your name to Jim the Mogul, not the Blueprint. We gonna have to change that
No,
out.
man. Listen, because I got my Bitcoin on autopilot at this point. So it's like, in terms of cryptocurrency, I've kind of got that to a point now where it's like I got my system set up. And that's the thing about systems. When we did the thing over at Better Than Success 2 weeks ago, that's what we were talking about pretty much is systems.
Yeah.
I mean, I got the triangle offense set up. So I was actually focusing on making sure our camp and all that stuff got put together the right way, and June 18th, making sure that goes the right way. So just been working on a lot of that community stuff. But I'm gonna get on there Friday to get this bag. Let's see what else we got here. So Bezos dropped a huge bag today when that bottom fell out. I know it did. It said retail made thousandaires this week on puts. That was amazing to see. That was amazing to see, man. Yo, your man Elon having temper tantrums, man. I was watching him on Twitter, like
He was snapping out because they dropped him out of the S&P. They dropped him out of the ESG S&P. So there's multiple versions of the S&P.
Mm-hmm.
And they dropped him out of one of the versions of S&P, and they caused his stock to take a dump. And I'm talking absolute dump ski.
But it was funny. He was going nuts. Like I saw him say something about him. He's voting Republican now. Then he starts slandering the Republicans. I'm like, he don't know. He's just having a temper tantrum over there.
Yeah, like, my man is snapping right now.
Yeah, and, he having a temper tantrum.
And Twitter, just to tweak him, they start putting out the junk. So let me tell you how funny these people are, man. These people are petty and funny, right? Because Elon was buying to talk about freeing the slaves over there, talking about letting them people just say whatever they want over there. And then once he said he wasn't going to buy the joint no more because he was having reservations, Twitter going to tweak the policy and say, now we're not going to let nobody retweet anything that we find offensive. And I just found that to be absolutely hilarious. I was going crazy because I was like, yo, these dudes, they tweaking over here. Like, they really over here having, like public beef. And, you know what I mean? Like, they playing with multi-billions of dollars, and they playing like petty fourth grader games. Like, they wilding out. I'm like, yo, are y'all in fourth grade? Are y'all really going to do this?
Like, yo, high school never ends, bro. High school never ends. They just be having money to still act a damn fool.
I was like, damn, y'all in fourth grade, yo. Like, are y'all really doing this? You know what I mean? So, you know what I mean? Like, Twitter was basically that was just a straight up shot right at the bull.
Yo,
after he said he wasn't buying it.
Someone said, "Is it okay if I say I wish he just go back to Africa?" I was like, "Oh, that's kind of disrespectful." People don't know that the boy is African. It was
South
like,
African.
They said, "Is it racist if I say she should go back to Africa?" But anyway, yeah. So he's out here wilding his stock. But think about this though, right? Folks that own maybe 20, 50, 10 shares, like they get upset when Tesla drops that way. How much bread does he lose when Tesla does a huge drop like that?
Yeah, man. I don't know, but he loses a lot of bread.
Billions. He loses billions.
Man. The Walton family lost like $50 billion over the last week, so they don't want it. They ain't got no love for my man. They ain't got no love for Elon. The Walton family lost 50 billion racks this week.
Yeah,
In a week.
they'll be okay. All right, so here's now the bounce on Monday. The large positions, 1.9 trillion market makers had at the S&P 500 4K strike, had short stocks neutralize their positions. Now they will need to unwind that hedge. Won't be a long-lived bounce though. All right, some game from Passer right there. Y'all know how to play that.
Yep. Piling the short
Egos
says
and
it's
no
going up.
EQ always going to show themselves when the right song hit their way. So
absolute facts.
Yo, ego is the enemy, man. Ego is definitely the enemy, man. Listen, we're not gonna be here all night. We are going to do our Bitcoin giveaway as we do every week. It's our way of getting folks involved in the space, and Corey and I are for the most part Bitcoin guys. So we like to give away Bitcoin for those that may be tuning in for the first time. We like to give away some Bitcoin every week to get people involved in Bitcoin and just to help out and show love back to the community that shows us love on a daily basis. To show our appreciation. So before we do the Bitcoin giveaway, I do want to say this. June 18th is the gala. Make sure you pull up to the gala. Don, as I call him, V Don says, had to grab some Walmart shares this week. Don out here going shopping because Don know what it is. Yeah, I'll be seeing Don on the timeline going shopping, man. And I think that was Don that recommended the book, the Budgetnice's book, but I did go get it, Don. I think it was you. Somebody in
here. Tiffany Alicia. Yep, it was Don.
It was Don. I went and got it. I definitely want to go. I'm gonna get it anyway, just so I can tease Courtney. I'm gonna find something to tease her about once I, read her.
That's blue. She the blue check legend.
That's right. That's right. I can't wait, Tori. Can't wait. We're gonna have fun. We definitely gonna have fun that evening. Yeah, so that's June 18th. And Don, shout to you for the book recommendations. I love book recommendations. Michelle gave me a book recommendation this week too, something I never heard of. But I'm always looking for book recommendations. So if y'all got them. Also, I don't know if Crystal pulled up, but Savage Beauty on Netflix, yo. If y'all haven't watched Savage Beauty, you gotta watch Savage Beauty. I'm buying a dippity dip on BTC. So Omar, here's the thing, though. I don't even say buy the dip no more. I just say dollar cost average and chill. Dollar cost average and chill is the greatest thing in the world because you don't have to. I don't care.
You don't care what the price is. I don't care. I'm buying the same amount every week, and some weeks I'll get more, some weeks I'll get less.
Look at Pastor with the game. Loss is like water seeks its own level. Everybody drowns when it's over your head.
Whoa. All
right, that's what you're doing. That's what's up. All right. Oh, hopefully you're not doing it on Robinhood, but that's either here nor there. You know what I'm saying? And that's hopefully you're not doing it on Robinhood.
Yeah, Robinhood tried, tweak the game. Talk about they opening a Web3 wallet. Man, you should have did that shit 2 years ago, bro.
Yeah, you about a half decade late, beloved.
Yeah, like.
All right, see, Pat come with the other one. See, I need something too because I've ran through Savage Beauty, Blood Sisters. Yo, all right, Pat, that's next on the list. Blood Sisters, I'm on it. Target to play on her, not Walmart because the payout night special is made it. Okay, so TGT, we're looking at TGT. KO dipping has me accumulating at lower prices and raising my overall ROI. What's KO trading at right now, Jose? It was crazy though, because like one of the things about the system that we talk about, Corey, and having the system set up, like I don't even be knowing, especially because I haven't been in the market trading right now.
You don't care about the price.
I don't even know what prices are. That's the crazy part. I don't even know what prices are. Last time I saw Coke was when it went that crazy run, and we ran a short on it. They got like $60-something, and we shorted it.
It's 61 right now.
Oh, it's 61. Okay, because it was higher than that at one point. I don't know. We shorted it. Spoon had brought it to our attention, like, yo, short Coke. It was up like 65, 60, something like that.
Oh yeah, that was another play from 2 weeks ago.
Yeah. All right, dollar cost average is a layaway for investing. There you go.
All right, so we're about 10 minutes from the top of the hour. Let's throw them ones in the
all right. In our chat.
Ones in the chat.
Anybody that is looking to be in our giveaway,
our Bitcoin giveaway. Throw them ones in the chat. Let us know you want this Bitcoin.
Let's see. When you investing, you buying companies. When you trade, you buying stuff. Oh, yo, Pastor, we gonna need you to write a book one day, man. Just a book of one-liners, because that's a great way to explain it. Right. I've actually like said this and taught this, but I never like can just put it in one sentence like that, and that just so eloquently says exactly what it is. When you invest, you buy companies, but when you trade, you buy stocks. Stolen. I told you on my phone, I got a whole folder full of passive quotes, man. I just gotta, I gotta start dropping them. All right, so we got some one era putting ones up.
Yeah, get them ones in the
Somebody
chat.
put, here you go. Hashtag Antonioisms. We need an Antonioisms book. All right, let me pull the wheel of names up, Corey, so we can get this thing popping, man. My brother Corey got to find a way to steal some sleep. You know what I'm saying?
Let's get it popping.
The young man. I gotta go check out this Blood Sisters, man.
Yeah, they be putting you on all the ratchet TV.
The thing about it is, right? So the thing about it is, Savage Beauty is not really ratchet. It's like a drama, but it's like So Netflix got this thing now where they got like a lot of the African shows on there, but it's about like a wealthy
African shows be popping, man.
Oh, I didn't know though. No one told me until now.
See, I was already on the African shows on Netflix, but I didn't watch. I don't know what those two shows are, but I watched a couple of the the blood sport joints where people be getting the wig chopped off. So if it ain't, I don't really like.
Take down with Blood Sisters, man. How come ain't nobody put me down recently? Yo, nobody put me down.
Yeah. All right. So get the wheel up and put it on the screen.
I got you, bro. I just want to tell Omar, man. See, this is the problem with NFTs. Oh, you can't make an NFT, but again,
why?
Yeah.
At that point, why?
NFT market, man. At this point, man, and I'm glad that it's happened the way it's happened, and it's because now people are going to really have to start adding value to the marketplace, and no one's really doing that. But them African shows, man, no one put me down with that until I started watching Savage Beauty, and now I'm hooked. Now I'm on Blood Sisters.
You know the two type of shows I like, bro.
Yeah, Corey don't like a show unless it's like the ratchets got to be flying. They got to be car chases, bullets flying, necks being snapped.
Or it gotta be a comedy. It can't
or comedy. Comedy. Nothing in between. Either pure violence or comedy.
Yeah, man. All these things that y'all call drama is not dramatic.
See, now y'all coming with all the fire though. So Pastor says that he got a whole collection of African movies on DVD. First of all, why you still got a DVD? That's the first thing. So you can't come at me when you still got a DVD. All right, now with that being said, Blood and Water. See, now y'all add naming all kinds of stuff. I mean, I'm paying that, man. Where my you know what I'm saying?
Yeah,
right. My S-Pen out here, man. I got what I got? Blood Sisters and Blood and Water. I gotta write that down, man. Yeah, I wasn't down with all the African shows, man.
Yeah,
and it's amazing to see our folks on the big screen. All right, Blood and Water. I'm writing it down now, man. I'm getting ready to spin the wheel, y'all, but I gotta write these shows down because I mean, for cultural purposes and whatnot.
Jim got 30 hours in a day because he be reading books, watching movies. He do a lot. He do 99% of our production stuff. Like,
yeah, but see, the thing is, a lot of times when I'm watching movies or listen to something, whatever, I'm working at the same time. Like, but unless it gets real engaging, like Savage Beauty was. Is that the one about twins? Tanella, don't tell me you knew about all the African Johns too. Don't tell me you knew about this. No one put me down. Oh, so he said he was watching them back then. He can still play them on the Xbox. Yeah, Suki. I guess that's the anime.
Yeah. I've actually seen.
Let's get to it though. Yeah, man. So now I got me two different shows to look up. I got Netflix coming through with all the African content. All right, so Corey, you got to go back up to the top and tell me what names to drop.
All right, so LaJoya.
All right.
Jose.
Okay.
Dominican O. Latoya. Patricia. Aaron. Yeah, Miss Pat.
Okay.
Tanelia. Angela.
Listen, I don't want to mess Tanelia's name, so you got to spell Tanelia because I will mess her name up.
Tenealya.
I want no smoke, so I'll make sure I write that right. Who else?
Angela. Facebook user. I don't know who this is, but you have to put your name in and a one. Angelique.
Angela, then Angelique?
Yep.
All right, I hope I spelled that right.
Jamil. cheating ass Don, Dan, Dion Chavis, Tay, Rock, Too Blessed Norma. I don't know who that is. T,
Okay, we're gonna say Too Blessed. And who else?
yeah, Jovan, and Dion Blanks is the one.
All right,
Nope, Brianna. Brianna wants one on spin too. Romaine also.
all right. Oh, we got a nice amount of entries in that. This is dope. This is dope. So we're gonna do 2 spins, $25 a pop. All you gotta do is send me a cash tag.
Oh
Please
nope,
send it to me.
Michelle said I missed him
Hey
because
Michelle,
he
I
was
just give you a shout out too, man, on the book, man. I see somebody else too. Who else just popped up after Michelle? Greg.
Greg. I already got Greg. We already got Greg on there.
We do?
I said Greg name. I don't know if you put him on there.
Yeah, I don't remember Greg. He's the last one to say something. Yeah, so Greg. All right, we got Greg. Shout out to
Yeah,
Greg.
we
Greg, what's
got
up with you,
Omar.
bro?
That's Dominican O
Yeah.
and Cookie.
From the
Cookie just
D, met you guys at the Power Network Conference. Okay,
there you go.
That's what's up. Yo, speaking of that, this Cookie too. Let me see if Cookie's on here.
Nah.
Speaking of that, next Friday we probably won't be on. I'm gonna tell y'all why. Next Friday, first off, next Friday is my birthday, so that's first and foremost. See what I'm saying?
Go shorty.
So it's like a national holiday. So next Friday is my birthday. So make sure next Friday y'all show love. You know what I'm saying? Cash Apps is open. You know what I'm saying? I accept Sats and free OnlyFans subscriptions for a month. But anyway, next Saturday is my birthday. But also there's a networking event going on next Friday,
Yeah,
right? Next
with
Friday.
our sister.
Yeah. So A-Lee, you know,
About her,
dude.
you.
Yeah, a whole squad. Lorenzo, and
I'll be
Tracy. I
there.
have a networking event going on next Friday for the Investment Blueprint Monopoly. There's an actual networking event going on with some real estate bankers in Philly. So I'll probably be there, you know, having shots for my birthday. So pull up to that if y'all want to. That's next Friday. So we may not be here next Friday, but you know, it is what it is. Or come
We
on
know,
earlier in the day. We'll figure it out.
yeah, we know the streets be watching, but we still gotta, you know what I mean? We still gotta show love to the people who showed us love. You know what I mean?
Yeah, we might come on for like 10 minutes and just give away some Bitcoin or something, like, you know what I mean? But that's definitely going down. Next Friday is the networking event. And shout out to my sister Tracy. Man, Tracy's out here doing crazy work because
Yeah,
for
she
those that
is.
don't know, I still do have my real estate license, by the way. Although my top client is myself, but but I moved my license to work with Tracy because, you know, again, part of what we talk about is community and building together. So I've said it before on here, I don't know, but everything's completely official at this point. It's official like a ref with a whistle. I'm a part of the Mosaic team, you know.
Yeah.
Working with Tracy because you got to live the stuff you talk about, right? And we talk about group economics, not just in terms of supporting each other, but working with each other. So, you know, got to live it. You can't talk about it if you ain't live it. All right, let's get our first one pulled though. Let's you know. Good luck to everybody. Hopefully I didn't miss anybody's name, but let's go.
That's a lot of names. I'm gonna throw an extra one on me.
Whoa.
You showed us love, man. We gotta show it back.
Oh, it was close. Latoya.
Okay.
Congrats, Latoya.
I think Latoya been talking to cheating ass Don. She got the cheat code from Don. She be winning every week too.
She be coming up.
She got the cheat code from Don.
She be coming up. Don gave the cheat code. All right, so
he
now
he passed the cheat code off.
Yeah. All right, so boom. On to the next one. Let's see. Latoya, I know your Cash App, but send me the message anyway, just because I don't want to forget. Because not right now in my mind, I got to get to Blood Sisters and Blood and Water. After I drop this meme, I got a funny meme I'm getting ready to drop though. So make sure I show my meme some love. I'm gonna put it on the Bodyhood Facebook page and probably my own personal page too, but it's gonna be funny though. Promise you that. All right, let's go. Here's the second one. Jovan, if you're here, leave a message right now in the chat. Let me know that you're still here, because that's a rule too, so folks won't be leaving. And after you leave that message, I'm going to tell you to shoot me an inbox either at by the hood or my personal name, or Corey, or one of us, just to make sure we take care of you this evening. But let us know you're still here. And we have Corey. So you want to do one more tonight?
Yeah, man.
You know what? Here we go. Here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna do two more. We're gonna give away a bean tonight. I'm gonna tell you why, because we probably ain't gonna be here next week. So with that being said, we're gonna do two more. So Jovan, listen, man, I'm telling you, let me know that you're here. That's the new rule. You gotta let us know that you're still here.
Yeah. Get this money.
But let's just give away a bean, though. That's what we're gonna do. Jovan still hasn't said he's here, so Jovan, we're gonna spin these. We're gonna keep spinning, but if you don't say nothing by the time we finish, then I mean it is what it is, man.
Yeah, we're gonna spin right by you.
We got two more. Let's get it. Pat.
Miss Pat.
You deserve it. You deserve it anyway for putting me down with
Yeah, man.
But hey, same rule apply. Don't try to switch up your style. Let us know that you're here, Pat. Jovan still didn't let us know, so we congrats, Miss Pat. I just
Yep,
say Miss Pat. All right, Pat is here. Pat, shoot me an inbox, Pat. Just give me your cash tag, and I got you. Jovan ain't here, so that's on him. But we still got one more, and if Jovan don't report by the time the next one spins, I mean, it is what it is. So here's possibly the last one, or possibly the third one. We don't know. Let's get it.
Michelle,
let us know you still here, Michelle. And I gave Michelle a shout out earlier because Michelle gave me a book recommendation. I'm always looking for that. And I appreciate, the fact that y'all think about me with certain books. So shout out to Michelle for that. Michelle, let us know you here. Also, inbox me your cash tag and we can make it happen. And there he is. He's here. All right. So Jovan, you got about 10 seconds to report to the dance floor. It's over.
Got 10 seconds to report to the dancery.
And if not, you know what I'm saying? We listen, we got like 50 witnesses here that he got a chance to report. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah,
so
you got 10 seconds to report to the dancery, sir.
Tamelia, that's a great question. I keep talking about his book recommendation, but I didn't say what book it was. I'm gonna pull it up now and tell y'all exactly what book it was. It was a Berkshire book. Let me get the actual name for you. It's called Warren Buffett in the Art of Stock Arbitrage. I had never heard of that one. I read a lot of Buffett books, but I didn't. This one is specific about stock arbitrage. So it's called Warren Buffett in the Art of Stock Arbitrage by Mary Buffett and David Clark. That's the name of the book. Yeah, Warren Buffett in the Art of Stock Arbitrage. So I'm definitely jumping on that. And he is not in the dancery, as Mary would say. So yeah. What do Mary talking about? What's the dancery, bro?
I have no idea, bro. But Mary, she's
she married though. So Mary do whatever she want to do, yo. You know what I'm saying? Mary made some. What's your favorite Mary song?
Real Love. I still like Real Love is my favorite Mary song.
My favorite Mary song is Share My World. That thing come on.
I mean,
that's some.
Yeah.
Sheesh.
Yeah, I ain't gonna poop on Share My World. I just like I said, man. What's the 911 and
what's the 411?
411. 411.
Yo,
yeah. What's the 411? Yeah. What's the 411? Real Love.
Yo, that Share My World.
Share My World is Share My World is. Yeah, I
All right.
mean, she got a lot of fire songs. I'm just,
I mean, she's married, dog. Like that's all you gotta say is she's married. Like she's, you
yeah.
know what I mean? Like it is what it is. What's your favorite Mary song, by the way? All right, so all right, me and Dion agree on something. Look at this. Share My Word is the greatest MJ song ever, yo. Yo, Share My World goes so hard, yo. I'm about to put that on repeat and drive everybody in the crib crazy as soon as we get off here. Share My World was amazing. Love the production and sound of that album. She said, what? Arbitrage.
It's a fancy French word that means buy low and sell high.
That's all it means. It's like, yeah. They try to make it sound crazy. That's one of the things that we talk to the youth about in the camp. Is like, yo, vocabulary. They will vocabulary you to death to say something that means something so simple. Yeah, Tay said, "Share My World." That's her karaoke song.
Listen, I ain't mad at that.
September we're gonna be in Jacksonville, and we should have some karaoke in Jacksonville for the folks that's down there. Woo! Let me see what she say. Thinking about Wyclef J. Blige with the 911. What? Co-thinking about Wyclef J. Blige with the 911.
I'm thinking about Wyclef and Mary J. Blige with the 911.
Corey's thinking about Wyclef J. Blige with the 911. Please,
what's the 911?
I got you.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I Can Love You is fire. I Can Love You. Although in retrospect, that is a hating ass song, yo. That's like the female version of a Joe song.
It is. He a hater too. We did our top hater songs, and Joe definitely made the list like 4 times.
We did our top. It's a whole playlist we made one day on the timeline about the biggest hater songs. Joe got like half of the whole playlist.
Hater.
Although I think the top song on there, well, first of all, the funniest one is the Jagged Edge one when my man says, "I don't want to be no hater or nothing," and then spends the next 3 minutes just hating. That's a funny one. But the biggest hater song of all time is Mario, bro.
I don't know, man. Mario song is hate, but I don't know.
Dog, Mario got the biggest hater song of all time, and the song go crazy too.
Hater songs always go crazy because you gotta go crazy if you're gonna hate.
Yo, think about the Mario song, bro. That's the biggest hater song of all time. If you should let me love you. Like that's a hating ass song, bro. Anyway, let's spin the last one because I don't want to get in the hater songs. We'll be here all night, yo. Joe was the king of hater songs. Mary was hating, and I Can Love You, and that's just the bottom line.
Yeah, Joe just says it outright. I'm a hater.
Specifically says all the things your man won't do. Joe man. Is a big hater, bro. But Mario
I'll do them for you.
He said, "Don't believe his stories; they all lies." Come on, Mario. Come on, man. Like you was wilding in that.
Yeah. That's he pimping on another nigga back. Ooh,
you should let me love you. All right, let's get the last name out the way, man. Hating ass Mario. All right, so look, good luck to everybody. Remember, Salt-N-Pepa did say "I'll Take Your Man," which is absolutely
a definite hater song.
That's a definite hater song, yo. You know what I'm saying? But listen, remember, whoever this is, it's Jovan's fault. You gotta let us know you're here once you come up. So let's get to it.
Spin one more again. It's The Rock.
Fuck it, love. Rock got a
all right, Rock.
Rock, are you here? Let's see. Is The Rock in the building? Can you smell what The Rock is cooking? Like, what's going on?
Throw the rock signs up.
Yeah, what's the bigger hater song? All the Things Your Man Won't Do, or Let Me Love You?
I don't know, man. My hater song was what was boy name? Oh God,
Here you go. The Rock is in the building.
All right,
Rock, shoot me the DM, Rock.
Yeah. That.
Speaking of music, R.P. to Bernard Wright of "Who Do You Love" fame and Roberta Flack's son.
Oh man.
Oh wow. Didn't even know that. Rest in peace.
Damn. Ooh, Tanelia.
Creep. Yeah, creep is a little hated though. Like, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, that's definitely some haters.
No. What's the Escape got a song where they just straight talk about like smashing somebody's dude too and how they get the fact that she don't know the fact talk about like they talk about being in the same room with a
Oh,
dude they
that's
smashing.
that's the what was the joint when you talk about I would
It's called You're My Little Secret. That's the one I'm
no
talking about. You're My Little Secret
As
is
We
a hating
Lay.
that song.
That was my hater song, As We Lay.
Yo, You're My Little Secret by Escape is a sick song in retrospect
Yeah,
too.
it is. But As We Lay,
She be talking about the fact that she don't know, it really turns me on. Like, yo, like you was wilding. All right.
Yo, As We
So
Lay is a
Dion
wild
says
ass song too.
is when the chick said, "Hey Barbara, this Shirley." yo, you might be right, bro. You might be right. You might be right. Yeah, you might be right, yo.
Yeah, that is some hater stuff, man.
Oh no, that's one of my favorite songs. My Little Secret. All right, so Toya like all the hating songs. Toya like all the creep songs. Toya, I can't. You know what I mean? Like I can love you. My Little Secret. Let me find out.
You're
Yeah,
my
that's it.
little secret. That's why we should
Dog,
keep
listen to the
it.
lyrics, yo. She be
Oh, listen,
wilding.
I listened to it before.
As We Lay. Yeah, I was thinking the same thing, Corey.
Yeah, man. As We Lay is a crazy song. We can think about tomorrow as we lay.
Yeah, that's that would she definitely went to Sebi. That's when they body her. But you didn't hear that from me. She was in Belize. OPP.
Yeah.
I mean OPP. How can you explain it?
Let's take it frame by frame. Yo, man.
I was
Yeah.
saying, no, I was saying, but no, right. Who do you love? Okay, all right. I thought you was talking about My Little Secret is a sick song, y'all. That's a sick ass song. Anyway, I don't know how we start talking about hating ass songs, but
because
that's what happens on here. Anyway, listen, we appreciate y'all. For the winners, make sure you shoot me the inbox. I'm gonna get everything right over to you. You know what I'm saying? I'm about to drop some of this meme art.
Shoot the inbox, not the fade. We shooting the inbox, not the fade.
Shoot me the inbox. We're gonna take care of y'all. Listen, we appreciate y'all. Who was it that told me to send them the deck? I forgot who that was. Whoever it was, shoot me an inbox.
It was Jabbar.
Oh, that was Jabbar. Okay, so I'll get that to Bar. That's not a problem at all. Yeah, so that's what we got going on. We back outside tomorrow in Nicetown. If you outside, Drew Hill, Step One is a hater song. I gotta think about that. The boy, Keisha Cole told the boy I should have cheated. Keisha Cole, that's why she's still going through it right now, yo.
Yo, yeah,
she was on my timeline the other day, still going through it with AB. Like, it's probably because of that right there. You know what I'm saying? You talk about I should have cheated. Yo, Mario said I don't want to know. That's some sick ish too, yo.
Yeah, man.
I want to know if you playing me. Keep it on the low. That's sick though. All right, y'all. So we'll see y'all Sunday. We got our class 12 noon in Bodyhood University as well as the MDC. We stream that in multiple groups. So that's just Sunday at noon. Again, tomorrow we outside. So if you see us in the city of Philadelphia, pull up on us and let's kick it. Other than that, we'll holler at y'all on the timeline. To the left. There's a lot of hating songs out there. I gotta revisit my my hate list.
We definitely gotta revisit that list.
Yeah, man. It's so much hate out there, man. But we want to spread love though, man. Listen, we love y'all. We appreciate y'all, and we'll see y'all later on. Peace.